It's such a fun reminder because we get used to it, how beautiful it is, and you start to take that for granted. But when you have outsiders coming in, it's a reminder about how fortunate we are, and it's in great shape. 13 years later, it's still gorgeous.
I just love this school. As an art teacher, it really resonates in the art room to have so many fun colors, especially in the flooring with all the tiles in the art room and outside of the art room.
Cleaning this facility is much easier than cleaning some of the other facilities I've cleaned in the past.
They look like they were put in yesterday, and I think in another 12 years they'll look exactly like they do today.
The number one thing that I tell people who are building a new school is that you want these floors. It's just going to make an overall lasting impression on people walking through the building.